Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and I'm here to show you why I think this is the best cocktail smoker kit out there.
This is Smoky, the premium cocktail smoker set from NOBLESIP. It comes with everything that you need to get the best smoked drinks you have ever had. I love that it comes with this food grade torch so you can do things like toast your marshmallows and make the best smoked hot chocolate I have ever experienced in my life. It was the perfect thing for this rainy, snowy, cold day. It was the most amazing flavor, and this is so simple to use. I love that it comes with 4 different flavors of wood chips, where it comes with oak, apple, cherry, and pecan. And all you have to do is add a little bit of the wood chips to one of the 3 metal filters and put it right on top of the glass that you're going to be drinking out of. Use the torch to get the smoke going, pop the top on, wait a little while, and then you've got this beautiful smoked drink. It makes the most amazing gift for someone in your life, and it makes such a romantic date night. If you smoke your loved one a cocktail and sit back and enjoy some quality time together, both of you are going to enjoy every second of this experience.
So get Smoky by Noble Sip. You are going to have the best smoked drinks of all time, and that's my point of view.